Welcome back to Byron's Garage. We're gonna put the drive shaft in today. We're gonna just try to survive today. What's the point? You already filming? Oh, I fucking regret it. Oh my god, this is what you get for buying online.
It looks sketch, bro.
I know. They didn't show a photo of it either. They just showed the photo of the car, and the car looked pretty good. And I was like, oh, it looks like it was well taken care of. So no one really shows them. This is literally temporary. I got it for 90, so it wasn't that bad. Did you show my address through this?
No. We can blur it out.
Yeah.
Like this, like, see with the big hand.
Okay, no, seriously, can we blur that out?
Yeah, of course. For you, bud. So that's the bit that goes into...
That goes right into the engine's axle, the transmission. Okay, it's okay. It's really bad.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't.
On a scale of 1 to 10, this is bad. So what we're doing here is we're trying to match the orange rust to the orange rear sway bar that we bought. I think it's gonna look pretty good, especially when you look under the car after I flip it over after a sick turn at Sebring. You know, just Miata things. Follow me on
This is my garage. This is my show.
But it's my garage.
No, bro. Byron's Garage. It's the fucking name of the show.
Can I at least plug my Twitch? You keep deleting it, and it's like, yo, hey, follow me on Twitch. People love my Twitch. I had 4 viewers yesterday, and only one of them called me.
Oh my god. Okay. All right. And that's like a good success for you?
Yeah.
No. I'm gonna keep cutting it. It's like,
why?
You know how much footage I've had to cut? There's been decent footage.
Follow me on. Honestly, wear a mask when you do this, guys. Like on a reel, like COVID, whatever. If you don't believe in it, whatever. I don't care. Wear a mask when you work with brakes or rust. Just please, like, you don't need this shit in your fucking lung. Let me tell you. I know you guys are smart. You guys know how to deal with life itself, but like this shit, this powder shit, you get this in your fucking lung. That's not good, bro. You want rust on your Miata, not on your fucking lung. You know what I mean?
I'm a burrito chief, but it kind of looks the same.
Dude, you don't see the difference?
No.
Me neither. Oh.
He's an artist now.
Where are you? Are you filming me? You gotta tell me this, man. I think we talked about this like 5 different times, bro. Like, you're like a creepy little dude. You just don't even like tell me. You're just fucking there. Do I not need this anymore? I thought I needed this. So I just gotta figure out where to mount it. Hold on a second. I think I found a video.
You got some research?
Yeah.
Hey guys, Chris fixing.
Ow. God, I'm fat.
Yeah, wait, why don't you just lift the car fully up?
Because I'm lazy. Like, honestly, I honestly should. I should lift
Look how uncomfortable you are.
I know.
Like, you're wedged in there.
I know. Hey, I guess this is a bad time, but listen, I never wanted to be that type of person to ask.
Yeah.
But if not, and I'm not talking to you, I'm talking to the people. Hello, people. Or person. You're probably by yourself watching this in your room, wondering why the fuck you got this far in this video. There's a funny little button down there. It's kind of red. It's called subscribe. It doesn't mean a lot to you. I mean, we're probably not going to post anything past this one, but just click it. It gives me some sort of dopamine effect that makes me happy for once in my miserable life after owning this fucking car for 10 years. There's also a like button. You could like it if you want. I don't really care. The likes, we don't get anything off of them. We don't get money for this. This is literally just a sad attempt at, scraping together something to make ourselves feel better when we're older and we can watch it and feel, like we've accomplished something in our youth. But if you want to share it, that'd be cool too. I don't know. Just, I'm bad at this. Like, comment, and subscribe.
AutoZone, sponsor us.
Advanced, actually.
Oh, Advanced AutoZone.
Yo, Advanced Auto, like, hit me up, bro. I've spent a lot of money. By the way, did you know Advanced Auto does tool loans? They help you loan tools and shit. That shit's awesome. All right, that's tight. Let's get the drive shaft in. Let's go yeet this bitch in that hole.
Both today and yesterday.
Oh, ow. Look how much better that doesn't look. You know what this is called? This is a Mortal Beef good enough. It's just good enough for this piece of shit. I like how I keep calling myself Mortal Beef. I really should have a name. I should call Host. I would love the name Host.
Okay.
Yeah, this is a Host good enough. Oh my god. I forgot how bad this was. You know what really sucks? The paint just makes this look worse.
Yeah.
Right, Luna? That dog is so old. So we're gonna do an honorary thing. Wait, hold on. Give me a moment. Oh, may the Father bless this drive shaft and all of its accomplishments. May it allow thousands of horsepower and no braking. In the name of the drive shaft, the differential, and the transmission. Amen. Now you're gonna put that one on a shirt, you piece of shit? Because the last one I did, which was fantastic and out of fucking context, you took and you put on a t-shirt without my permission.
Listen, that's merch. We're still working that out. Don't.
100 subscribers, I'll get a mullet. How about that?
You're gonna do a mullet if we get 100 subscribers?
Yeah, I'll get a mullet. And if we get 1,000, I'll buy a Chevy or something. I don't know, whatever you guys want to see. I'll buy something American. You know what? I'll buy the Mustang I want.
Oh no.
Oh god, it fits! Ow, it just almost crushed my finger. Holy shit, that was scary. I put these way too far back. Dude.
You gonna start this thing?
Huh, today?
Yeah.
We can't drive it. It doesn't have the, what do you call it? It doesn't have the brake, the brakes need to be bled.
Oh, yeah, right.
It needs brake bled. It needs like a lot more small things. We could start it. Oh, we need gas actually. So it won't be started today because I'd have to go get gas. Hey guys, thanks for joining us at Byron's Garage. We're doing the same outro, same as the time as the intro. If you notice, congratulations, you get a special reward. You can click the button on the bottom, subscribe, it'll let you subscribe. It doesn't let you do that for anyone. It's actually a secret thing we added with YouTube. No one's allowed to subscribe. If you're able to click the button, congratulations, you're special. So, you know, we installed the diff. We're going to put the car back on the ground and, you know, torque up the axle bolts. She'll be smooth sailing. The next video you see would be this car going right into a ditch. Have my word on that. Yeah, just listen to me one second. I don't know if this is gonna come out, but I don't want to be here anymore. I don't want to do it anymore. You know, I just want to. They're not gonna hear me, are they?
Yeah.
No other ideas. Nothing original. It's not a fucking sandwich.